Feature 1 Fuel Price and Route. Click on the search button. Enter your destination location. As you can see, there are 3 states coming on your route based on your destination location. Out of which petrol price is lowest in Haryana around 96 rupees and highest in Rajasthan around 105 rupees. If you fill petrol in your vehicle from Haryana, you can save 9 rupees per litre as compared to Rajasthan. If your vehicle's tank has the capacity of 50 litres, then according to this you can save up to 450 rupees. Feature 2, Trip Fuel Cost on Alternate Routes. Click on Search button. Enter your destination location. As you can see, 3 routes are generated based on your destination location, out of which Route 1 has the lowest cost of 2,458 rupees and Route 3 has the highest cost of 2,695 rupees. If you choose Route 1 for your trip, you can save 237 rupees more. Now you can use Google Maps navigation by clicking on the screen without entering your destination location. Feature 3, Fuel Eco. As you can see, the current speed of your Fortuner car is 100 km per hour. In this, you are getting a mileage of 9 km per litre and a cost of 10 rupees per kilometre, and your car is emitting 293.3 grams of CO2 per kilometre. If you reduce the speed of your car to 90 km per hour, then you will get a mileage of 10 km per litre and a cost of 9 rupees per kilometre, and your car will emit 264 grams of CO2 per kilometre. In this way, you can save 1 rupee per kilometre. If your journey is of 200 kilometers, then you can save 200 rupees. Feature 4, Emergency Numbers. Click on More button or 3 dots. Then click on Emergency. After that, click on Added Number or any emergency number. As you can see, the call has started. Feature 5, Traffic Fines. First of all, click on the More button or 3 dots. After that, click on the Traffic Fines button. As you can see, my default state is Punjab and traffic fines of Punjab are mentioned below. If you want to see traffic fines of any other state, then click on the Change State button and select any state. As you can see, the traffic fines will be shown based on your selected state.